Hi Pearls, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm coming to you barefaced once again to bring you another skincare video. This video is going to be all about Teami Blend's Green Tea Detox Mask. It smells absolutely amazing, so I can't wait to show you how it works. Now, as you can see, I'm taking a plastic knife and I'm sticking it directly into the jar, taking as much product as I'll be using and putting it right on my hand. I'm doing this so as to not to contaminate the jar. So I'm doing this to not continuously put my fingers back in the jar, as to not to contaminate the product that's in the jar, and to just keep it fresh and last me as long as possible. So while I'm spreading a generous amount of the green tea detox mask all over my face, let's talk a little bit about the healthful benefits that this mask has. The Green Tea Detox Mask helps to eliminate blemishes and improve overall complexion while moisturizing the skin from the inside out. It contains 3 main ingredients: matcha tea, bentonite clay, and lemongrass. And the benefits of the detox is that it's good for all skin types. Other benefits include reduction of blemishes. It serves as an antioxidant boost. It nourishes skin, and it keeps the skin glowing and moisturizing. And of course, my favorite is the anti-aging abilities that it also contains. So of course, my number one pro tip is to, whatever you do to your face, to also do to your neck, and if you can, your chest. But in this instance, I'm just making sure that I spread it all over my face and neck. I'm even going to cover my eyebrows because guess what? You have skin under there. Here's a close-up of the Green Tea Detox Mask. It's 75% organic and it's cruelty-free. It's non-greasy, so it won't clog your pores. And of course, it's made in the good old US of A. So after 10 to 15 minutes, my mask is now dry and I'm ready to remove it. I'm going to get my trusty Perle Beaute makeup eraser glove and some warm water, and I'm going to go ahead and dip my hand right into the water, squeeze out the extra or the excess water, and then I'm going to get ready to remove the mask. I love using the Perle makeup eraser glove not only to remove makeup at night when I'm feeling lazy, but of course to remove my mask. It's made up of microfibers, it's multi-use, so I definitely get a nice, clean, gentle cleanse as I'm removing my mask. And all I have to do afterwards is just take it off and put it in the washer and get tons more uses out of it. So, and another thing is that I get to get every nook and cranny just because it's just like using my own fingers to remove any tough, dried out mask material. I'm now gently taking off the mask in all areas of my face, including my eyebrows. I'm just going over it repeatedly but gently so I can take off all the green mask residue that's left behind. Successfully removed every bit of the mask, and now I have a fresh face that's ready for my nighttime skincare routine. That's all for this video today. Remember to check in the description box for a discount code. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Pearls.